You're browsing the web, minding your own business, when suddenly you realize every click, every search, every scroll is being tracked and monitored. Even such things as keyboard layout, screen resolution, and your location is stored online and can be easily stolen. It's a digital dystopia where privacy is a luxury. But fear not, because Tails OS is here to flip the script. Welcome to the ultimate guide to Tails OS, your passport to online freedom and privacy. Today, we're diving deeper into the world of digital security and how Tails OS is leading the charge in protecting your online identity. Tails OS, short for the Amnestic Incognito Live System, is not your average operating system. It's a fortress of privacy built on the solid foundation of Debian OS. Think of it as your virtual bodyguard, shielding you from malware, censorship, and prying eyes. But how does it work? Well, imagine Tails OS as a digital ninja, operating from a USB stick. It doesn't leave a single trace on your computer's hard disk, ensuring your online activities vanish into the thin air when you shut it down. It's like hitting the reset button of your digital footprint, giving you the ultimate peace of mind. But wait, there is more. Tails OS comes armed with an arsenal of privacy tools, including the legendary Tor browser. This bad boy routes your internet traffic through a series of encrypted relays, making it virtually impossible for anyone to trace your online movements. Plus, Tails OS automatically blocks any sneaky apps trying to bypass the Tor network, ensuring your online privacy remains intact. Now, let's briefly talk setup. Getting started with the Tails OS is as easy as a pie, but if you're curious about the throughout setup process, my next video is going to cover the details. So, grab a USB stick with at least 8 GB of memory, download the Tails OS version compatible with your current operating system and flash it into the USB stick using a nifty tool like Etcher or any other tool available online. Follow the official startup instructions and boom! You're now the proud owner of a private and anonymous computer. Whether you're a journalist, uncovering the truth, or a whistleblower, exposing corruption, or simply someone who values their digital freedom, even such a notorious person as Edward Snowden used this OS in his fight for people's rights. Tails OS has your back. Thanks for tuning in, fellow privacy enthusiasts. Remember, in the battle for online privacy, Tails OS is your trusty sidekick. Don't miss out on my next videos. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification button. Stay safe.